Hi there. Today I received a new radio, which we will unbox. Okay, let's just start. You've probably already seen it. It's from AliExpress. I ordered this radio about a week ago and I got it today. There we go. All right. This radio is from TID. It's the H3 black. And let's see what's in the box. Okay, one manual with a, what is this? Well, some information. Okay, looks good. And then let's start with the radio. Well, ooh, okay, this is really small and feels very solid as well. It's not too big, but it's I don't know what the weight is, but it's a very solid radio. Okay, nice. This is the radio. A clip. USB-C charger, charge cable, to be precise. All right, this is also interesting. One antenna. All right. Okay, let's do this over there. That's for later. Okay, the radio. Why did I choose for this radio? I think it got a few features who are very interesting. I'm also interested in airplanes, airband, and this radio can receive the airband as well. Of course, I don't know how easy it all is, but I will find out later. And of course, it got also the 2-meter band, 70 centimeters, and I believe also the normal radio stations. But yeah, okay, that's nice, but I don't think I will ever use that. But I will use the airband to listen to aircrafts. You cannot transmit on that frequency, only receive. Yeah, I think that's one of the important things for me. Then another thing is you can program this radio, the frequencies, with your phone, with an app. And that makes it double interesting. Of course, I cannot show you at this moment because this is only the unboxing, but that are the two things who were important for me. Okay, this is all what I have to say about the radio for now. I'm going to charge it and come back with a new video, so we can look how the specifications are. Okay, thanks.